G'day. We're doing a little bit more work on my aeroplane. I've finished sanding the top wing, and the way I got these supports in is I glued the bottom of one, no wing on top. I glued the bottom of the support and just put something to prevent it falling over. In my case, I just used a glue bottle and some hand sanitizer that I got sitting around. So sat them there, those two end ones. Then I glued the top on. And lastly, I put the inside supports. Okay, the inside supports, I don't know if you can see that under there, but the top, I sanded it at a bit of an angle so it matches up with the top wing. Whereas the bottom, it doesn't need to have an angle because it's sitting on the corner of the plane. Okay. But at the same time, if you see it from a side view, it's still on an angle facing forward. So that's it there.